Young. She is a young girl. She is a young girl. Old. My grandfather is old. My grandfather is old. Early. He arrived early to the meeting. He arrived early to the meeting. Late. She came late to the party. She came late to the party. High. The mountain is high. The mountain is high. Low. The plane is flying low. The plane is flying low. Cheap. This book is cheap. This book is cheap. Expensive. The watch is expensive. The watch is expensive. Near. The park is near my house. The park is near my house. Far. The school is far away. The school is far away. Smart. He is very smart. He is very smart. Foolish. That was a foolish mistake. That was a foolish mistake. Kind. She is kind to everyone. She is kind to everyone. Mean. The boy was mean to his sister. The boy was mean to his sister. Friendly. The dog is friendly. The dog is friendly. Unfriendly. The clerk was unfriendly. The clerk was unfriendly. Brave. The soldier is brave. The soldier is brave. Cowardly. He felt cowardly and didn't try. He felt cowardly and didn't try. Right. The answer is right. The answer is right. Wrong. My guess was wrong. My guess was wrong. Smooth. The table surface is smooth. The table surface is smooth. Rough. The rock is rough. The rock is rough. Sweet. The candy is sweet. The candy is sweet. Bitter. The medicine tastes bitter. The medicine tastes bitter. Quick. Be quick or we'll miss the bus. Be quick or we'll miss the bus. Slow. His walk is slow. His walk is slow. Simple. This puzzle is simple. This puzzle is simple. Complicated. The instructions are complicated. The instructions are complicated. Sharp. The knife is sharp. The knife is sharp. Dull. The scissors are dull. The scissors are dull. Fresh. I love fresh fruits. I love fresh fruits. Stale. This bread is stale. This bread is stale. Thin. The girl is thin. The girl is thin. Thick. This book is thick. This book is thick. Dry. The clothes are dry now. The clothes are dry now. What? My shoes are wet. My shoes are wet. Honest. She is an honest person. She is an honest person. Dishonest. He was dishonest about the mistake. He was dishonest about the mistake. Polite. The waiter was polite. The waiter was polite. Rude. The customer was rude. The customer was rude. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe for supporting the English Edge. Learn English easily and confidently with fun.